Former caretaker Chairmo for Southern Ijaw local government area of Bayelsa State, Lucky Okodeh, don't get permission from Federal High Court for Abuja to give oral evidence for the case when he gets against Niger Army. Okodeh for the case they accuse Niger Army say them publish in picture among people where them they look for in connection with the killing of 17 soldiers for OKUAMA Delta State on 14th March 2024. He asked the court may then give him 2 billion naira as compensation for the alleged violation of your rights. Justice Binta Yanko give orders say make Okodeh fit give oral evidence through in lawyer Femi Falana, wey no agree with the argument from the lawyer of the Chief of Army Staff Mike Enahoro Ebams, say the army not declare Okodeh wanted. Falana con tok say conflict dey for the fact inside the documents where both parties don't file before the judge, and so inclined go need to clear the matter with oral evidence on April 28.
On behalf of our client, Honorable Lucky Okodeh, who was declared wanted last year by the military authorities in the country, but the respondents are saying emphatically that was never declared wanted. So in view of the conflict in our affidavit evidence, we applied to the court to allow us to call oral evidence by bringing our client to court to state his case properly.
This case is frivolous. This case is an abuse of court process. This case is vexatious. This is not a case that should be in court. This man should go to his village, live his normal life. Nobody's looking for him. But you see, because a politician is looking for some fame and popularity and he's in court just to trigger an atmosphere for attention. And so we have joined issues to say, you ought not to be here, because it's a matter that is filed under the fundamental human rights rule by originating motion. We have joined issues. Ordinarily, this matter ought to proceed on the merits, but the learned sake has applied that there's conflict of facts in affidavits, even though we oppose that, but the court had temporarily granted that to say call your witness to lead oral evidence. So we'll meet him in court on the 28th of April.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we they talk him. We know the take blame. Kata Ojisele reporting for TMC TV.